pobre Carlos, he crashed the fucking SS, y'all. And now we're gonna tear it down today. But y'all, es que Carlos just wanted to hug a tree. I'll attach the picture. That's all that happened. I already told him that you wanted to hug a tree. Look how bad it is. Poor SS. Bro, and I was driving this hoe because my Camaro's out of commission. And look what he does the moment I don't drive it.
Bro, look at this shit.
Oh, yeah. He got hit bad.
That's not mugre.
No, yeah, it does look like mugre, but now the airbag kind of burned him. Like, bro, the airbags went off, bro. Like, look. So, like, imagine his. Well, he already tore it out. And then, también the knee airbag fucking blew off both, bro. Down, like, by cradle, by front bumper, by radiator, by condenser, by transcooler. Luckily, no. I mean, luckily it was right in the center, so, like, the puntas are good.
I don't know yet.
This punta is good for sure.
We still have to look.
The punta that we don't know is this one. Because we haven't even... Pues, how the fuck do we open the hood?
We gotta cut it open.
You're lying.
I swear. Like, I can't.
You can't unlatch it?
I don't know where. There's too much shit behind
Look,
it.
that's the latch.
Yeah, but there's too much shit behind it. So I have to probably just cut it open.
What if we just unscrew the... You can't... No, there's not enough space to unhinge it and then just bring it this way, right? Jesus Christ. Well, that's what we're doing. He's keeping it. It totaled, obviously, but he's gonna keep it.
I can't let it go.
I told him, let that shit go. Like, hell no.
You can't ride in it now, then.
Bitch, I should be able to ride it more because I took care of it and you just came and rammed it, literally. No, yeah, because look, I've been borrowing this car for a minute because my car doesn't work because I need a... That's a whole other story because I need to do a DOD delete because the fucking lifters went bad, which FYI, I already changed to one side lifters and como quiera el otro side went bad. So now I'm just doing the full DOD delete to avoid that fucking issue. Either way, that car, like, my goal is to keep it for forever. And okay, so I've been driving the SS because he has his C10. So he's like, nah, pues just drive my SS. And then I left over the weekend and Carlos drove the SS. And he just badly wanted to fucking hug a tree. And that happened. But, so yeah, my point is, that means I should be driving it.
No more. No one's gonna drive anymore. Just me.
No. Nah. Everyone should drive it but you. Nah, I mean, shit happens. Shit happens. Basically, well, you told them what the fuck happened. You were the one there. Or you don't want to talk about it? Are you sad vibes?
A little bit.
Okay. Okay, so are you ready? I'm not ready. Can I just rip it off? You're like, fuck. I don't know.
No way.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fuck up my coffee in there. So what are you gonna do?
I mean, maybe we could try and take these off.
Look, I can take this hinge off, and maybe we can lift it from here. I'm gonna take that hinge off while you do your thing. Porque mira por acá pues.
See the side real quick?
Here. You saw it now?
I saw one.
Ooh, that shit must have hurt. What up, Chevy? Chevy gang gang. What's up? Right in the middle. Oh no, that's the when there's traffic. Take the book back. Stuck. All you need is okay, that's one way to do it.
Fixed it.
Part 2. Wait. What are they at the bottom? Yeah, but what are they?
13.
Are you there?
Yeah.
Oh. Now you were so quiet, I couldn't even tell. Like, over there, you know? Look how bad it is. Cradle for sure.
Yeah, look.
Rebar.
It ripped it right here.
Show them la punta.
Yeah.
At least that's the only that's the only bad thing as far as like frame or like at least these don't look fucked up. Like that one I was scared it was gonna
Power?
look fucked
Yeah.
up. Oh shit. Yeah, that one. And I mean they look fine so far. Don't quote me.
Cause I ain't say shit.
No, yeah, I mean they look leveled. They don't look pushed in. Damn. It's normal bad.
What does that mean?
Typical Carlos. Ah. Nah, like, nah. Pues. We've worked on cars this bad before. That's what I mean. Look, guys, estoy regalando un filtro. Si quieren uno.
Already taken off. It literally ripped off.
Now there's the screw right there.
Get the fuck out of here. What the fuck? That's crazy.
Why normally they'll rip off?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
That's what I was like, te falta.
Sorry, Ronnie.
Look at my shoe. For real, like todo se quedó intact
For the most
for the most part.
Wait, let me take this
Maybe you could take the ground off and just move it over there, no?
That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Para que no estorbe. Wash the paint, bro.
Fuck that paint.
It's brand new paint, bro.
You don't look like it. What's that? What's that right here? What's that right there? No?
What? It has to be busted, right?
What?
The
What's,
AC?
what's busted?
The AC?
The AC?
Yeah.
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 Oh, why you thought it was gonna have Freon?
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, it was busted for sure. And look at your frame. Damn, este también.
Which one? Yeah. Nah.
That one's not that bad. I mean, that one, no mames.
So it's a little bit
Crooked.
here in, and then this one
That
kind of
way.
got like pushed that way.
Like open.
Yeah.
But see.
There you
I'm sad for my shoes. I mean, thankfully I didn't wear the other ones that were like more newer. These were a little bit fucked up already because I already fucked them up a little bit. I'm still sad though. They weren't that fucked up. Now they're gonna be fucked up. What if I fucking dye them brown? Because I've been wanting brown shoes. Sana babish, what the fuck? ¿Tú puedes o no puedes?
go.
¿Tú puedes todo? ¿Te desconectó esta madre?
Porfa. No.
¿O lo quito de aquí?
Ay.
¿O de dónde lo quito? ¿Puedes o no puedes? Oh, sí puedes.
No.
It's a lot of little shit, ¿no? ¿Necesitas un... para quitar ese clamp? What was that?
My phone.
Oh. Oh, you're gonna take it off with that? Okay. I don't like the idea, but I don't have to like it, right? You could just get the real hose clamp. Remover. Oh, that's my brother. Hello. Por eso no puedes. Te digo, si agarras the right tool, with the right tool, you could do anything. Oh, there, he did it.
True.
I know, we're just so lazy to go get the right tool. If we could do it with them. Look, your banda. Bye.
No, that's what I'm afraid of, huh? That's so scary.
Huh?
That's what I'm afraid of.
What?
To see what got crushed.
Oh, that's why you want to take this off to see that finally. Okay, perfect. Oh my God, look at that. Hey, te vendo un abanico a $5, mijo. What is that? That's just the leftovers, right? Okay. Oh, it's stuck. And it's stuck. I mean, si prendía, right?
Yeah.
And look at the banda there. How ugly it got. Wait, is this pushed in? Yup. Oh, but that's just a pulley. You can just replace that, no? Damn, you're gonna have to replace that one too.
It's been straight.
I would replace it. Take off the banda. Or you're scared you're not gonna remember how to put it.
And it was too.
That one's broken. What are you thinking? Did you make the right call?
Yeah.
To keep it?
Yeah. But I gotta get this line again too. I think.
So basically los que se jodieron is that one. This one I would replace, but if it's too much work, then no.
Yeah.
Told you. You could hear it wobble. Wobble. Nah, pues that's kind of it. Ya nomás ya quitamos todo. And then...
We just need to get the engine cradle.
That's gonna be a bitch.
Replace this line.
Replace everything we took off.
There's 2 pulleys. And
Eso
then,
sí les enseñé. This one. And then...
this line. And then get the points.
That's gonna be the worst part. This one and this one. And then... Tú dijiste que sí se abrió poquito, ¿verdad?
Yeah. Just kind of close it a little bit.
A ver.
You see how this one kind of a little bit?
¿Se te hace?
Yeah.
Esa se ve más para allá. Oh, no, maybe the wheel is tripping it off.
Probably. Oh. Wait a minute, check it out. Okay.
I mean, ese no te ha de costar casi nada if you just replace it.
It's expensive as shit.
That, I bet you could find one cheap.
Oh, look, I broke this.
Yeah, you see? I knew it was gonna be bad.
It was just this part, luckily. The MagSafe roll sensor looks still kind of good.
What about that? Is that good?
Yeah, this goes here.
Okay. Damn, ni esa se quebró?
Alright.
Damn, that's crazy. Thought it was gonna be a little bit worse.
Right, me too, honestly. Well, the water pump. Yeah. But,
Wait, that's the water pump?
yeah.
So you're gonna have to replace the whole water
Yeah.
pump? Oh, poor you.
Yeah.
¿Y para encontrar esa pinche parte?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you still have it. I think it's the same thing as a Camaro.
Oh, okay, good. Ooh, saved
Saved
by the bell.